Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today is kit unboxing day and here we are unboxing the Simon's Stamp February 2023 card kit. It's called Sweet Days. Well, this is the first card kit for 2023 this year and I'm really excited to show you all the beautiful contents inside this kit. I will also be sharing a link to the Simon's Stamp Card Kit Gallery where you will find wonderful designs by some really amazingly creative designers and card makers. Let us unbox this month's kit and take a look at the amazing products included in it. Before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could take a minute to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. I do have some really wonderful cards coming up for you guys using the contents of this kit. Now the first thing we have in our kit is the Simon's Stamp Mesh Bag. Now this is a large 10 by 12.5 inch bag which is perfect to fit your cardstocks and also will perfectly fit all the contents of your kit. Every kit comes with the inspiration sheet which has beautiful card designs by some designers perfect to get you started. You could also check out the card kit gallery for a lot more inspirations. Now next in the kit is something that I'm really excited about. These are the Tri-Blend Spectrum Noir brush pens. This is in the shade Bright Pink Blend. Well, this is something that I have been wanting to use for a really long time. I do have my Ohuhu alcohol markers, but these are something that I really would love and enjoy using. Next we have the Simon's Stamp Hearts and Stars 6x6 stencil. Well, we have some beautiful randomly assorted stars and hearts on this stencil and I really love using stencils as I feel these are really versatile product. Next, we have 6 sheets of A2 size holographic rainbows cardstock by Simon's Stamp. These measure 5.5 by 4 1/4 and are 100 lb cardstocks. Well, these would be great for die cutting and using as your card base. Included in the kit is the Fancy Love Die which comes with a word and the shadow die. This would be perfect to cut out of this holographic rainbow cardstock. Next, we have 6 double-sided sheets of Paper Rose Cozy Days 6x6 pattern paper. I love the design and pattern on these papers. I think this pink is definitely my favorite. Then we have this beautiful zigzag lines or stripe you would call it, and behind we have beautiful dots. This bluish ombre effect on the background is absolutely stunning, and as the name of the card kit suggests, Sweet Days, we have some coffees and sweets on these pattern papers. Again, these stripes on this can be used horizontally or vertically, and I love this beautiful pattern behind this. Similar to the red pattern, we have one in green, again from light to dark, and behind that we have this beautiful heart pattern. Now, like the previous zigzag lines we saw, here we have a pattern paper with the rainbow colors. You can use it horizontally or vertically, any which way you desire. And behind this, we have these beautiful critters and some mushrooms, which would be amazing on your card fronts. Next, we have 2 A2 size envelopes by Simon's Stamp. We have one in white and the other one in doll pink. Well, both of these envelopes have a sticky self-seal which allows you to simply pull the seal and close to press. These are really high quality envelopes made up of 80-pound paper, perfect for your A2 size cards. Next, we have 2 individual pieces of the Tim Holtz Ideology Christmas Deco sheets. We have a beautiful gold and an orange. All you need to do is peel out the sticker and stick onto a white cardstock before you can die cut. Well, now we have this beautiful 6x8 stamp set. It's called Sweet Days. As the name suggests, it has some amazing stamped images. We have some lollipops, donuts, chocolate strawberries, candies, and lots more. I love the font on the sentiments. These could be perfect for a birthday card, a thank you card, or just a card to say have a sweet days. I love the sentiments which is perfect for cards throughout the year. Also the heart line, that would be perfect to create border on your slimline cards. or even your regular A2 size cards. These sentiments can also be paired with the Fancy Love Die that is included in the kit. Next, moving on to the cardstocks in the kit, we have a 110-pound Neenah Solar White cardstock and a 100-pound Doll Pink and Royal Purple cardstock by Simon's Stamp. Also included is a sheet of the Simon's Stamp Tear-rific adhesive sheet. This one measures 5.5 by 11 inches and has got a sticky backing. This would be perfect for all those intrinsic dies. You could stack them up using this adhesive sheet. So that was the Simon's Stamp February 2023 Sweet Days card kit. It's definitely a very fun and beautiful card kit with cute and fun designs and some really amazing pattern paper designs. The stamp set on this card kit can be used for cards all around the year. I will be uploading a video really soon where I will be stamping a bunch of those beautiful images and coloring them using my alcohol markers. Stay tuned for that. Here's a little sneak peek of the card that I'll be creating in my next video. Well, all the contents of the kits and all the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I will see you back with some fun cards that I will be creating using this card kit. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you'd like to share your creations, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.